Namaste beloved friends. Today in this video I am going to share with you my personal experience with meditation. So I did around more than 1000 hours of meditation, and what happened after practicing these meditations from so long, what changes I develop in my body, in my mental, in my all the levels of my consciousness. So I am going to share my experience, and I hope that this experience will inspire you, will motivate you, and you can also travel, you can also go beyond in this journey of meditation. So I practice around 1000 or more than 1000 hours of meditation. So what the changes happen? First changes starting from my body. So before practicing meditation, my body weight was around 64, 65. And once I start meditation, it start reducing. It went to around 50 to 55. And I feel very light. And before the meditation, it was very heavy. I feel my body is very heavy. But after practicing meditation, I was feeling very light, the body become very light, and there was lots of fat in my body. And like without doing any physical practice, physical exercises, just practicing the meditation, my body start changing. It is kind of everything is happening in my body new. So it went into a deep transformation. Before that, people are seeing me, and now they are seeing me. They are completely. They can't think about me. They can't. They think that I am a totally new person. They think like they always telling me your body is reducing. Like you are getting more younger and younger every year. The people are getting older, but you are feeling more younger, more younger. You become more like a child. Your expression, your body language, your all the things, you become like a child nowadays. So this one experience I got from my body. And related to the body, there is second experience. I was getting so much pain, different pains in my different parts of the body, especially on my abdomen and on my head. So one time what happened, I was practicing meditation, and after meditation I went for the sleep. Okay, it was in the morning time. And then in the dream I got a dream that one Baba, one sadhu, he came in my dream, and he put his fingers in my navel, and he took out some stones. Okay. Then I wake up immediately. Then after that time, there was no pain in my belly. The pain was gone. It was a miraculous experience I had. And one time what happened, I was getting so much pain in my head especially. So one time I thought like what to do now. I went to the doctors, they checked and nothing was there. So I thought like let's meditate on this pain. So I started watching my pain in my head, and then slowly when I started watching it, in the beginning it was feeling like it was in my whole head. And then when I start watching, it was reducing, but the intensity was very much. So it went to the one single point, but too much intensity was there. The pain was so much in one point, on a single point, that I can't bear it. But still I watched that pain, and after watching, that pain completely disappeared. And from that moment I didn't get any headache. So these two pains was gone because of practicing of meditation. My body become very light, very relaxed, very flexible also. So the poses, the asana, yoga asana, I can't practice. They start happening itself. I can make the Padmasana easily, in the lotus pose. I can make the handstand. So all things happening easily, very easily. I can sit comfortably for longer hours. So these things start happening in my body slowly. And now I will tell you what happened in my breath level, in my breathing. So before practicing the meditation, my breathing was very much shallow and it was very fast also. So I was always breathing from my chest and it was very fast breathing. So when I start practicing meditation, the breathing become very slow and very deep. So sometimes when I notice now my breath, it become very silent and very relaxed, as if there is no breathing, as if there is complete stoppage of the breath. So this thing I notice. So sometimes when I walk and I just observe my breath, so that time I feel that there is very subtle breath is going on. So sometimes I do jogging also, running also, and sometimes I practice some asana, some Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation also. And during all this physical exercise also, I feel that the breath is very relaxed, very smooth, very calm, and very deep also. So that one thing I notice in the level of the breath. Now let's move to the level of the mental, how my thought pattern changed. Before meditation, I was very much thinking about negative things, about past, about future, about the money, about my problems, education, all these negative thoughts. It was so much in my mind, so I could not focus in a single point for a longer period. But once I start meditation, the thoughts are getting very reduced. The frequency of the thoughts are getting very less and less. Now, if I'm watching my thoughts, they're kind of very subtle. There is not very much thoughts. So there are the thoughts, still the thoughts are going, but it's like the more silence is there. So I can watch my thoughts very easily. There is the very much silent gap. So one thought is coming and there is a bigger silent space, and then another thought is coming, there is again silent space. That what I noticed. Before meditation, there was so much negative thoughts and too much thoughts, like it was overthinking. I was thinking about many things. It was keep going, and once I start meditation, then this thought getting reduced, and now it's very silent. There is very less thought, and I am not going towards the thought. Suppose the thoughts is still coming, but I am not moving. Like I can make my decision from myself that if I want to go towards the thoughts, or I just want to be myself. If I am working, I am doing some job, I am working, I am reading something, so I can make the decision that if I want to go towards the thoughts, or I can just be there, I can just practice myself, whatever I am doing. So that thing happened in my mental level. So the negative thoughts, they changed into the positive. And the other experience I got in the level of the feelings. So before that, I was feeling very, very depressed kind of thing. It was also anxiety sometime, also negative thoughts, and feeling like heartbroken. Not very like it's what kind of close feeling before practicing a meditation. So now it's completely changed. Now still I get sometime very less anger in once a while, maybe once in a month or once in twice a month, or like this I get the anger. Still I get the anger, but it's very less. For a few seconds the anger will be there and it will completely gone. So anger change. Also lust. Before it was I was feeling very much sexual feelings was there, too much sexual feelings. Now still these feelings are there, but their quantity is very less. So they are still coming, but for a few seconds or a few minutes they are here and they will pass away. So I can watch them also. So this thing happen in my feeling level. So still there are lots of feelings are there, but more the feelings are positive feelings are there. So now I am always feeling like this feeling of gratefulness, thankfulness, what I get in my life, all these things I have, this I get always positive feelings. So whenever I go to the sleep, I feel very blessed, very happy, and very satisfied to my life. I feel very thankful, grateful to this entire universe for giving me this opportunity to meditate and to learn all these things and to teach. And also when I wake up in the morning, I feel very fresh, very happy. I feel like this is my new day, starting of the new day. This start happening, this start changing in me after practicing the meditation. My feelings start becoming more and more positive. So this all the things happen, my physical level, my mental level, my emotional level, everything is in a transformation. So in the every 6 months, my body, my everything is getting transformed. So if you look at the different pictures of me 6 months before or 1 year before or 2 years before, they are keep changing. It's like I am getting back to the source. I am getting more to go more, going back, not going older, but going more back. This all the things happened after only practicing the meditation. And also one more thing happened, my friend circle changed. So the friends which were in the childhood, we were very close friends, and they completely changed. Like I also changed and they changed. So I feel like there is not much connection to them with them. Also towards my family, and there is not too much connection. I feel love is still to them, but there is not a attachment to them. You can say there is no attachment. So the friend circle changed. Now I have different friends who are more in line with me, who are more in common with me. So these things changes. So now what I feel right in this moment is very calm, very relaxed, very motivated also, and but very relaxed. I feel like everything is so beautiful, this nature, this sound. So nothing is disturbing me actually. The sound is going on, the people are talking, the things are happening, but nothing is disturbing in me. Now also I feel like when we practice meditation especially, the whole cosmos, the whole universe will start working for us. They start sending the people, the situations. So all the things, the people will meet, you will meet different peoples, different situations. Everything will start happening around you to make you more aware, to make you more grow. So when you start meditation, when you start this journey, you will feel more connected to this universal energy. You will become aligned with this energy. You will become more connected to this mother nature. This happened to me also. So now I watch myself. Now I have everything in the money wise, in the family wise. Everything is. I have everything. So that's why I feel more surrender. I feel more connected. I feel that there is some mother, you can say. I call it mother nature, I call it God, I call it many different names. You can call it any different name also, but I feel there is something, some power is there who is taking care of me, who is giving me all the need which I really need in my life. The people, the situations, the money, all these things, they are naturally coming to me. I am not putting so much effort, I am not putting so much my energy to them. I am not giving so much effort, but they are naturally, they are coming to me naturally. This all the things happening. I am living in a very beautiful place. I have all the things which I really need in my life. So these all the things naturally coming to me. This happened after practicing the meditation. Before I was struggling a lot. I want to read and I want to do something. It was too much struggle in my life, but now there is not a single point of struggle. So I enjoy every situation, I enjoy every moment, I enjoy my life. So this all the things happen after practicing the meditation. Still the journey is continuing, still the changes start happening. So still every day is new day, every day is new experience is happening. So I'm learning every day new things. Every day starting sharing these things, what is happening to me, and all these things happening to me, and every day new is coming. So all these things happened to me after practicing my meditation. So this is my whole journey of meditation, how these things happen in me. So hopefully this video motivate you. You can get inspired by this video, and you can also join me in this journey of meditation to explore your inner self, to connect to your more to your inner self, not to go outside, not to find the happiness and joy in outside world, but to find the inner joy, inner happiness within you. So this we can all get this, we all can get this, we all can access. So I will see you in the next video. Take care. I will give my love, I will give my prayer to all of you, so you can also walk in this path of meditation and love. Thank you, and thank you.